Alright, this is a video of the I think I've had this coat for about 5 years. This is not woodland camo. A lot of people think it's woodland camo, M65 jacket. It was actually desert pattern, I think, from the first Gulf War back in 1990, 91, 92, whatever. And what happened is I bought it on Sportsman's Expo about 5 years ago. And what happened, what I did was I wanted to dye it green. So what originally was a tan khaki colored, because it's not really a woodland camo, but it turned out to being almost like a woodland camo. It's extra large, Alpha Industries. When I bought it at the time, it was $35. Now Alpha Industries M65 jackets. Foxy, come back here. When I bought it, it was $35 about 5 years back. They've increased their prices for the M65 jackets. It's a real good jacket. It's extra large. It has a lot of deep pockets. A lot of guys have these jackets. They don't have the Desert Camo ones. They have the a lot of them are the woodland camo, and I love this brand, Alpha Industries. It's just that it got way too pricey, so I'm probably going to get some more different brands that are cheaper at the surplus store. It didn't come with a liner, but I have a liner that I bought at our local Army surplus store. As you can tell, it's oversized, it's an extra large. Let me show you this right here. Alpha Industries, it says extra large, regular, and it's a very good jacket. I've had it for a number of years. I wanted to get one that was straight OD, olive drab green, but as far as what I got was this Desert Camo one, and I dyed it green. So I like it. It's been good for me. It's warm. That thing without the liner, when I put the liner in, it's extra warm. So had it for 5 years. 5 years. M65. Can't go wrong. All right.